script for the review of REXING M2 Smart BSD ADAS Dual Mirror Dashcam 12-inch IPS touchscreen. Have you ever been on the road and wished you could see everything around you? Blind spots, rear-view visibility, and the safety of lane changes can all cause anxiety for drivers. But what if there was a product that made all that a lot easier and safer? The REXING M2 Smart BSD ADAS Dual Mirror Dashcam aims to be the solution, offering a comprehensive set of features designed for improved safety and convenience. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the latest auto tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the REXING M2 Smart BSD ADAS Dashcam. This product promises a range of features, from dual-channel 1080p recording to advanced driver assist systems. But does it live up to the hype? The REXING M2 Dashcam boasts a 12-inch IPS touchscreen, giving you a wider, clearer view with its dual 1080p recording, capturing both the front and rear views of your vehicle. This means you can record events from two separate perspectives at once, which is great for those who want full coverage while driving. The camera connects easily to your vehicle's rearview mirror, creating an unobtrusive setup that's simple to install. One of the standout features is the blind spot detection, BSD, and advanced driver assistance system, ADAS. Using radar sensors, the M2 helps monitor your car's blind spots, alerting you when it's safe to change lanes. If you've ever felt the panic of changing lanes in heavy traffic, this system is an excellent feature to have for peace of mind. In addition, the GPS logger keeps track of time, date, location, and speed, giving your recordings a level of detail that can be essential for documentation in case of an incident. Real-world usage. After setting up the M2, I was impressed by how easy it was to operate, thanks to the large touchscreen. Whether I was adjusting settings or streaming live footage, everything was intuitive and responsive. The live streaming rearview mirror displays a wider angle, helping me spot potential hazards that I might have missed using traditional mirrors. Plus, it's not just a rearview camera. It doubles as a backup camera, adding an extra layer of protection while reversing. The G sensor is another key feature, automatically locking video footage in case of a collision, ensuring you won't lose important evidence. With loop recording, you never have to worry about storage space either. The oldest footage is overwritten once the memory card is full. Plus, the parking monitor mode ensures the camera keeps recording when it detects movement, even if your car is parked. I found this particularly reassuring, knowing my vehicle is always being monitored. Pros. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen is large, offering clear, real-time visuals with wider angles. Blind spot detection and ADAS systems are perfect for enhancing safety, especially during lane changes. Dual 1080p recording ensures high-quality video capture from both the front and rear, covering all angles. The simple installation process means no complicated setup, and you get customer support if needed. Cons. The screen size might be a bit too large for some drivers who prefer a more compact setup. While the GPS logger is useful, it might not be essential for everyone, depending on how much detailed tracking you need. The price point may be slightly higher compared to basic dash cams, but the added features justify the cost. Value for money. Considering all the features it offers, especially the blind spot detection, ADAS, and dual-channel recording, the M2 provides excellent value for its price. However, if you're mainly looking for a simple dashcam without the added advanced features, you might find similar products at a lower price. Comparison. When compared to other dashcams in the market, the REXING M2 stands out with its larger 12-inch display and advanced features like blind spot detection. While other models like the Garmin 66W or Vantrue N2 Pro also offer great recording quality, they lack the ADAS and BSD that the M2 provides, making it a better choice for those who prioritize safety. Who it's for. This product is perfect for drivers who want a reliable, high-quality dashcam with advanced safety features. It's ideal for commuters, frequent drivers, or even taxis and rideshare drivers who need extra protection. However, if you're a performance driver who doesn't need these safety features, you may find this system a bit overkill. Conclusion. If you're looking for a dashcam that offers more than just basic recording, the REXING M2 is a strong option. It covers all your safety needs with features like blind spot detection, ADAS, and GPS tracking, making it a solid choice for those prioritizing both security and convenience on the road. It's a strong option for those who value peace of mind, but if you don't need the advanced features, you might be able to find a more budget-friendly alternative. If this breakdown is helpful, a quick like and subscribe really helps us out. Let us know in the comments if you already own the REXING M2 or if you're considering it for your vehicle. Until next time, drive safely and keep your ride Autovated. Links to the product mentioned are in the comments box and the description. If you want to check them out, feel free to take a look.